Hi, welcome back to my channel Travel AV. It's Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. Watch this video till the end for the key insight into the Rijksmuseum.
Is it on now?
Yeah, it's camera
Yeah, this is on. Yeah?
filming.
Don't. Can you put it out after you go in? Do you have the tickets?
This camera I have to take it.
Yeah? You can put
Okay, I
it
have to
in,
stop.
out inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I see your ticket?
Yeah. I showed him my Hop and Hopper bus ticket. Let's see they will allow or not. So my ticket granted entry to the museum, but staff advised me that filming is restricted inside. So I am feeling lucky, otherwise I had to pay 22 euros for the ticket. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
May I see your ticket, please?
Yeah, please.
Oh, right.
This is also not allowed in the
No.
gallery, so you can take pictures, but
Is
no
the
film.
body cam eigenlijk
ja.
allowed? Ron. There's some body cam. Heb je die?
It's
Nee,
empty.
nee.
Oh, it's empty.
It's
Oh,
empty.
sorry, I didn't see it.
Thank you.
It's just an empty strap.
Rijksmuseum is the one of the most renowned art museum in the world. Designed by Pierre Kuiper and opened in 1885, the building is a work of art in its own right, with its grand arches and intricate detailing. The museum is a vast collection of Dutch masterpieces spanning over 800 years of art and history, including work from the Golden Age. One of the most fascinating aspects of the museum is how the art tells the story of the Netherlands culture, political and economic evolution. This museum is also a hub for conservation. Here they preserve this timeless work, ensuring that the future generation can enjoy it as we do today. If you are a fan of architecture, the museum building is itself a masterpiece, combining Gothic and Renaissance elements with modern touches. Apart from the painting, the museum offers an extensive collection of sculptures, artifacts, and even delftware showing Dutch craftsmanship through the centuries. As you walk through the galleries, you will discover how the art was influenced by and reflected major events from the colonial era to the modern day. For a more interactive experience, visitors can download the Rijksmuseum app, which offers detailed audio guides and maps to help you navigate the vast space. The app includes fascinating facts about the key pieces, allowing you to dive deeper into the stories of behind the art. Rijksmuseum is not just a place for the art lovers, it's an experience for everyone. Whether you are here to marvel at paintings, sculptures, or just soak into the culture. Visitors of all ages can enjoy the hands-on workshops, kids tour, and educational programs that make art accessible and engaging. The Rijksmuseum houses an incredible range of painting by Dutch artists. This museum is full of this remarkable painting, each telling a unique story from the history, capturing movement of everyday life, war, or nature's beauty. Still life paintings contain hidden meanings such as fleeting nature of life represented by wilting flowers. You will find numerous work by Dutch artists whose landscape portraits offers a glimpse of the 17th century's Netherlands. With over 8,000 work on display, there are so much more to see. Each painting invites you to step into the another time and place, filled with history, emotions, and artistic brilliance. The museum shop is also a must visit, offering art-inspired gifts, books, and souvenirs that will remind you of your trip. If you are hungry after your museum visit, you can stop by the cafe where they offer a taste of Dutch cuisine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of Rijksmuseum. See you next time on the another exciting tour.